Good morning. Today we're taking a road trip.
We're going to Crestone, and we're not alone.
Nope. It's the four of us! We're running a bit late this morning, so I'll tell you the rest in the car. We just stopped at the gas station to fill up before we take off. So what's going on this week, honey?
We're going to Crestone.
Yeah, we're going there for 4 days with Anna's parents, Tony and Joma.
Yes. And it's going to be super fun. Tomorrow I think we're going to get a little rain, maybe a little snow. Ooh. But then we might do a hike and a couple of other things to show you around.
Yeah, we're definitely going to go town exploring, no doubt about that. We're interested in hiking and beyond that. And
bringing you some facts about Crestone, because it's a really, really cool town that I think everybody should explore.
Yeah, and I think we're going to do some astro too.
Hopefully, if it's clear enough.
Yeah, we'll see. Anyways, we'll figure it out, but we're going to bring you a great vlog. It's going to be a lot of fun. So we're going to hit the road. They just finished filling up.
Yes.
And so we'll show you some pretty stuff along the way, and I think we're going to stop and get some lunch somewhere.
Hopefully, yes.
Okay, we've rambled.
Bye.
Let's get in the road.
So if you're gonna do this part of the Colorado Trail on Kenosha Pass, make sure that you get here very, very, very early. It is 11:40 right now and everything is packed up and down the road, FYI. Our very first sneak peek of the Collegiates.
Take the next right onto County Road 304.
We just got our parking pass here at the Collegiates. Thank you so much, Anna, for taking care of that. And Betsy's gonna be extremely happy to see her. Super dark, I know. But anyway, we got our parking pass. We're gonna grab some lunch. What are we doing here, honey?
We are gonna go get lunch. Take pictures, go to the bathroom, quick potty break.
It's about 2 hours later, or at least 2 hours since we last talked to you, and we stopped for lunch at the Collegiate Peaks.
Yes, and we had delicious poke bowls because that's become our thing.
Anna was talking about traveling yesterday, and she's like, oh, we should pick up some poke bowls for traveling.
Yeah. So Adam's going to give you some facts because I'm holding the camera and I don't want to look like
she's like, ooh.
Crooked neck looking down.
So this is a section of the Sawatch range. Sawatch. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing that correctly.
Neither one of us are.
Probably not, but well, I'll put it right below so you can see what it looks like. It has some of the highest peaks in Colorado, and 5 of them are named after famous colleges. And I'm sure it's actually probably the other way around.
Like Mount Princeton, Mount Oxford.
Mm-hmm. Mount Yale, Mount Princeton, you already said that, right?
Yep.
Mount Harvard, and Mount Columbia.
Yep.
And it was designated as wilderness in 1980.
Nice.
Yeah, pretty crazy.
It's a beautiful place to have lunch. It's a bit windy, so pack some layers and maybe some earmuffs.
Definitely.
Some warm food.
Yeah, my ears are a little hurting right now. Ooh, got a message. Right now it's about 20-mile-an-hour wind with gusts up to 41. I took the drone out for about a minute, and it got up in the air. It was like, I was like, I'm done. So I think at this point,
we're gonna go ahead and start heading over to Crestone.
Mm-hmm. So we'll show you some more pretty videos, some more pretty pictures, and then we'll give you an update, I guess, when we get there.
Bye.
It's a little bit windy, but we're almost there. So we'll take you there and see you in a few minutes.
Yay!
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. We just had to stop, take some pictures. I don't know if you saw.
I need to pull out the paparazzi lens.
Yeah, did you see the back of Anna's shirt? This is why we stopped for a few minutes. Caution, photographer makes frequent stops. Very true statements. Okay, so she's gonna take a few more pictures, so I'll put a couple pictures in here for you, and then we'll take off. I've talked enough. Let's get over to the house after a couple pictures. Bye. We made it!
And welcome to our Airbnb. We're just gonna get unloaded real quick and give you a tour. This is our living room. This is where my parents are sleeping for the night. Their laundry room, bathroom. It's pretty big. Shower. This is our quarter. I have some questions about what we hang on top of the bed. But check out this view. This is the view from our bedroom. We got a sweet little patio outside. And here's our bathroom.
This is so cool looking. And the drive here wasn't that bad. It took us about 4 hours with our stops and everything. So I'm really excited, hoping for a clear night because this place looks awesome.
The view is spectacular.
Have you shown them the view yet?
I will.
Ooh, go show them the view.
Show me. Open the door.
The storm's blowing in right now, but hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit clearer.
Look at the mountains, they have snow. Those are the only ones with snow.
I think, okay, so from what my research, this one is Mount Crestone, and that's the Crestone Needle.
The one at the back.
Yeah, that's from my initial.
Over there, there's a little bit, this tree.
So, this is the view. Tea time. Oh, this is our kitchen.
While Anna's having her tea inside, I want to give you a tour of the outside because this place looks like a shipping container and it actually looks really, really cool. So walk over here first and give you a tour of the outside and walk around a little bit. That's our bedroom over there. And that's where Anna's parents are sleeping on this side. Cool, so we are in the backyard right now. I want to show you just a couple things back here around the back side of this house. Got to climb through some stuff. But right behind me, we've got a little bit of a vegetable garden. So there's nothing growing in there right now, but they do have a little bit of a vegetable garden going on. This is the back of the house. That's our room right there. We're still doing a little bit of unpacking, but also they have a table that you can hang out in. There's the back door, propane tanks. There is propane heating. There's no AC, but right now it's 67 degrees and feels absolutely amazing. Stand this way. And then one last thing is right off in the distance over there, there's a little bit of a bridge and we can go across it. I haven't actually gone across the bridge yet, but we can go explore it together and see where it leads. Ooh, there's some cactus down here. So 2 years ago, we went to Mexico with my dad at the time, and I happened to touch a piece of cactus and it came off with my thumb. And so there's a piece attached to it. And I had a pair of pliers to pull all the needles out. It was super painful and it hurt for the rest of the day. So I'm always a little bit careful of cactus now. Not, you should always be careful of cactus, but pay a little extra attention since I got bit by one. So he's came across the little bridge that's here. I'm guessing during the spring months, when the water's starting to melt or the snow's starting to melt from the mountains, that there's like a nice little river that runs through here. Right now it's pretty dry. We are in the middle of October while we're up here. And so one thing I've been really impressed with is the weather because we're in the middle of October by now. We should probably had first snows and everything. And instead, we're having gorgeous, gorgeous weather. So one last thing before I head inside, we hang out with Anna for a little bit, is this is our view every single morning that we get to check out. We're really hoping tonight we're gonna get a nice clear sky, even though it's looking really, really cloudy. This is a certified dark area, which means that there's not a lot of lights here. And if the sky is clear tonight, we should get some amazing star trail photography, but we'll find out. Hopefully that's the goal of this week. And we're hoping for at least one clear night. Hopefully every single night, but at least one night.
And we crashed the drone. So we're trying to find it. Oh God, he's gonna stick it. Oh.
I don't appreciate this.
Ooh, close, but not quite.
Was it further back?
Yeah. Enough? Okay. Oh God! No!
That was pretty funny from this angle.
So if you've been watching the cell phone footage, we retrieved the drone.
I was feeling very, very angry until I was like, stop recording, because I was so frustrated.
But now we have it. Now we're gonna see if it actually works. Does the camera work?
Yeah.
All right then. Success. The drone survived. Are you ever so thrilled that your drone works?
I am so excited. I was pretty certain it was a goner. And then the problem is I could see it, or we could see it at the very top of the tree. And we could see it flashing. We was just so close.
It's up there somewhere.
Today's been so much fun. You think like just driving somewhere, like, I've had a lot of fun today.
It was a beautiful drive.
Yeah.
And the weather was beautiful.
Perfect. It was like 67 pretty much the entire way. Blue skies.
Except for when we got to Collegiate Peaks, it got a little cold.
Yeah, it got really windy. But I think we had a perfect weather day. There's a fly flying right now. They drive me a little bit bananas. It's just like zzz. Anyway, so we got here. We had dinner. We had some delicious, what was it, tuna with...
It's like a tuna potato salad that my mom made.
Yeah, it was delicious. Hit the spot perfectly.
It did.
After dinner?
We watched the sunset and got to see the alpenglow on the Sangre De Cristo Mountains, turning them bright orange, which was really, really beautiful.
It was gorgeous. I don't know if we would see it tonight or not, and I'm so glad we did because it was absolutely gorgeous. This flies bother me.
Yes, and then after that, once the sun fully set, then we went outside to look at the moon and Venus, and there was another planet that was close by.
Jupiter.
Was it Jupiter?
I thought it was Jupiter.
Jupiter, and then the Milky Way, because you can see it once the sun goes down. It's beautiful.
It was so crazy to watch the moon come up. It was so bright, and then it kind of set already down here. So this is a dark sky certified area, which means there's not a lot of light pollution, so you can see so many stars.
It's beautiful, and I got to photograph Andromeda, the galaxy, which was amazing, and then I discovered that there's another galaxy next to it.
So like do some research, figure out what it is.
Yeah, I don't know which galaxy it is.
Yeah. And I'm gonna call it a night. It has been a long day, but it's been so much fun. And tomorrow, what are we gonna do tomorrow? Which week, a new vlog.
We are going to walk around Crestone.
We'll take you around. There's been about 2 years since you were last there and show you everything. If you enjoyed this video, or if you just enjoy seeing us, please hit the subscribe button and please share with your friends and family. We would love to bring our adventures to more people.
Yes, and Adam's gonna drop our Instagram information. Please follow us. And
if you're interested in any of Anna's prints from today,
oh, yeah,
check out Anna's print shop. I'll link it below, or Anna will link it below.
exactly. So have a good night.
Bye.